Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to upload SVG files to Google Drive. So for the first step we will need to go to our Google Drive. If you don't know how to go there, just go to google.com and type in Google Drive and you will find the first link to your Google Drive. Make sure you are logged into your account by checking on your profile pic on the right top, and once you are logged in, then you will arrive at this page, your Google Drive. So what we can do now is possibly go to My Drive. After that, you can just click somewhere, or you maybe want to add it into a folder, and then you can click on the plus sign and file upload. Once you have done that, you will select the SVG file and open it. And now you have uploaded successfully a SVG file into your Google Drive.